Benvenuti all'ultima sessione, direi, del pomeriggio. Siamo circa 20 minuti in ritardo, ma cercheremo di rispettare comunque i tempi. Quindi il primo intervento è a cura di Media Touch, di Andrea Bicciolo, che credo introduca Martin, e quindi immagino che sarà in inglese. Sì. Ok. Giustamente. Non so se il titolo della sua presentazione è esattamente il tuo, quello che c'è scritto nel programma. Ok, allora mi metto gli occhiali perché non ci leggo. Allora, il titolo del primo intervento è Moodle Brainstorming with the Community, e qui c'è scritto Andrea Bicciolo di Mediatouch. In realtà parlerà Martin Dougiamas, che abbiamo già avuto il piacere di ascoltare questa mattina. Avete 20 minuti? Cercherò di farvi dei segnali. Sì, con qualche concessione, diciamo. Io penso che non oserò alzare i fogliettini, quindi ok, grazie.
Allora, grazie Marina e buonasera a tutti. E questa sarebbe dovuta essere una sponsor session, ma data la presenza di Martin in Italia, che non avveniva da 10 anni, dal 2008, abbiamo pensato bene di convertire la nostra sponsor session e offrire uno speech di Martin, anzi più che uno speech, un brainstorming con Martin, che ha già attivato la wish list del MoodleMoot Italia, in modo tale che voi siate i protagonisti di questa sessione, che siamo appunto lieti di offrirvi, e naturalmente il cui protagonista sarà naturalmente Martin. E di conseguenza niente, la cedo subito la parola a Martin e buon lavoro a tutti.
But I see what's happening. So we're going to do a little exercise, and we have 30 minutes, and I want to I really need your involvement here, and I need your concentration. And this is I'll tell you at the end what it means. What we're going to do is we're going to end up with a list of the features that you want in Moodle as a group. We're going to decide as a group. So first thing we're going to do is I want us all to be thinking about what is the pain that you feel when you use Moodle. What is the thing when you use Moodle that you feel you're angry, you feel pain, something's not working. What is the thing you want to fix? What is the thing that Moodle must do? Okay? So I want you to just, first of all, I want you to close your eyes. We're going to have 30 seconds of meditation. And I want you to imagine yourself at work. Okay? You're at work and you're looking at your computer, and just think for the past 6 months, a year, what's the most frustrating thing, right? All right. Hopefully you've had time to think of one or two things. We're going to have to move quite fast. And, I lost the screen here. What's this? It's HDMI. No. What's wrong? This works? No? It's okay? Oh. Are we trying to record it? No problem. Okay. So, number one, I need a volunteer, somebody who, we need a microphone. I need someone to run around with a microphone, Andrea. I need somebody with a microphone. Who wants to be? Yep, okay. Okay, has anybody got a suggestion, a wish they want to see Moodle have? Who's going to break the ice? Come on, somebody. New features, improvements, work that Moodle should do. What is work? What are things that Moodle should do? Any suggestion?
Mi dai direttamente il microfono.
Who's got the microphone? Whoever's got the microphone speaks. Okay.
Yesterday evening we could talk about a lot about GDPR.
Yes.
Yes, someone here found some bugs inside the Moodle GDPR. There are some data that was not deleted from DB, and this is a big problem for
in 3.5 or 3.6.
5.
Because we already did a lot of work extra on 3.6, so maybe it's fixed.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Second question, maybe we need more report for administration. For example, list. It's possible to get a list of user and print, for example. That would be very useful.
Reports, can you be very can you say exactly what sort of report? Because more reports is too generic. Imagine in the Moodle tracker, we wrote, we want more reports. It's impossible to answer. But you want, do you perhaps want a reporting tool? A tool to make reports?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, that sounds like a good one.
That's all.
Like that. Please feel free to ask in Italian, and the official Italian translator will answer. Who's next? Yeah.
So I will talk about this later in my speech. I will talk about workshop and peer assessment. And in a slide, I will say what are, for me, 5 major improvements in this activity.
Okay.
Just the first one.
Yeah.
And I contribute to Tracker.
Perfect.
Giving in peer assessment the possibility to have back evaluation.
To have
back evaluation. It's very important.
Back evaluation.
For a pedagogical point of view. The person who is assessed can reply to the assessor. Okay?
That's easy to do.
So other wishes? Here.
In the forums, when I use the function reply.
Yes.
Sometimes students write a lot of things. Yes. I want to
quote.
Reply just
quoting.
Yeah, quoting that.
Okay, good. See, now we're getting warmed up. This is good text quoting in posts. That's never come up before, actually. I mean, it's a very good one, and I agree with you, but in these sessions, it's never come up before. Who else? We're going to get to about, I think we have time to maybe get 15, something like that. Let's see, who's next? This is your chance. And this goes into our process. So these will get a bit extra bump. So, yes.
Hello. 2 questions for you, both about quizzes. Okay.
Okay, are these feature requests? Okay.
First one. Is it possible to have a report based on question category, not just an overview, an overall feedback, a numerical one?
Yes.
About the quiz.
In the analytics report of the quiz.
Also in the results report, not just a total number or question by question.
Okay.
First question.
But by category.
Second, but per category, yes.
Okay. Is that possible now? Does anybody know a way? Is that possible? Not possible? Okay. All right. When I have a bigger group, I usually ask somebody to second the request, like someone who thinks also it's good. But we're too small a group here, so I'm going to put it in. So quiz. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, I'll give you a second one, sure. But be quick.
It's the biggest one.
Yes.
Is it possible to think about a sort of old-style adaptive quiz? So not just I answer to a question and then I have a penalty, but I answer to a question, and if the answer is wrong, I'm going to have a random question from another category.
Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm trying to think.
Placement test.
How can we describe that in one line of text?
Nightmare. Yeah.
Adaptive.
Thank you.
But he's saying you add extra penalty questions, sort of.
But I cannot assess on the answer. I cannot change the category. In placement test, okay, I have a penalty.
Right.
But at the end, I have just a number. If I can switch category and I categorize my question for example, in European framework languages, I have A2, B1, and so on.
Yeah.
If I can switch from a category to another one, depending on your answer, at the end I can identify what's your category, because every time you have a B2 level.
So this is more of a diagnostic tool.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Do you agree? It's a branching. Is this adding branching in quizzes, or is it the same thing?
Because you can go, I think what you're saying is you were in category A1, for example.
Yeah.
You get 2 questions right, the third one wrong. Well, then you go to a different category. Lower, so A2. You go lower. You answer 5 questions right there. Well, now you jump up again. Jumping between A1 and.
It's. Is this the quiz or is it a lesson, maybe? Yeah, but is it, do you use the result as assessment or is it just a diagnostic?
It's a level, yes. In a lesson, can I catch a random question from a category?
No.
I can fix this problem. Yeah. That's the reason why.
Whew, okay. This is, we haven't got time to get into this. I wish we did. So
other wishes?
Okay. Who else?
I don't know if it's already possible, but if we need sometimes to put a single course on more categories. And now a course can be assigned to only one category, but in some cases it would be better to assign the same course to more categories.
Okay.
And now it's impossible. One category, one course.
Yeah, it will be very, very complicated to do this because roles and capabilities also, where do you inherit from, and navigation and everything, but it's possible. Sure, it's here. Okay, who else? Over here. How much time do we have left, Andrea? Andrea, how much time do we have?
I don't know if it is possible now. I have courses with many teachers, and I need the possibility of privileges of teacher on singular activities or resources, not the entire course.
I'm not understanding. Can
So
somebody rephrase? Can somebody rephrase it, or Italian, or? Well, this is possible. It's possible. Okay, the best one. Anyone else? Yeah, fixed. Yeah, the interface could be better. The interface could be easier, for sure, but it is possible. Come on, this is your chance. We've only got 7. We can get to 10, I'm sure. Paola.
No, yeah, I have an old problem, but maybe
Good.
it's only my problem. It's with the position.
No,
of
we're
the
all
blocks.
getting old, Paola.
Yeah, me too. I know. It's the positioning of blocks, side blocks.
Yes.
It's not very.
Don't use blocks.
Yeah, I know you don't want us to use blocks, but then the other choice is managing the items in the template, the new template. To change things from the template, from the side official settings.
Why do you need things on the side?
You have already a lateral column in the new template.
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah.
You have some links.
Yep.
Changing that is very hard. You have to understand where to touch to modify that.
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't need blocks if I could do that in an easy way.
Well,
I can do this, but
so you
other teachers cannot.
You want to customize the navigation.
Thank you very much.
Customize the navigation in the nav drawer.
So there is room for 3 wishes if you have some.
I guess it's an impossible question.
No.
I remember how quick was Moodle 2.x in response.
Yeah? It's faster now.
Yeah, it's faster than 3 dot something.
Okay.
And I remember how quick was 1.9. Okay. Sometimes there's a lot of things.
Yeah.
There are. Yes, I see. That's why I said
yeah.
It was.
Look, more hardware.
Oh yes.
PHP 7 is much faster.
Yes.
It's twice as fast as PHP 6. So if you're still running PHP 6, no, PHP 7. You should be using HTTPS secure stuff on your website. Your theme, you need to do the usual things with web pages to make sure your theme isn't the problem. But if you have more hardware is cheap. Okay. And you can get a cluster, you can move the server closer, there's many hardware solutions to this. But I find our Moodle site for Moodle headquarters, we have one internally, like an intranet. It's so fast. It's instant. I can't believe how fast it is. It's just because the server's been tuned and...
Okay. We are going to switch to PHP 7 in this day, so I guess. 2
times faster. It's amazing. And also make sure the database is upgraded.
Yes.
Operating system, everything helps.
Thank you.
So I can't put this down as a feature request. Anyone else? Last 2. Uh-huh. Good one. How would you... I guess you can browse them and see the files. Do you have a particular case? Like a form.
But the database is quite difficult for normal users, so we have to spend a lot of time to export them. It's very boring. So it fits a good fit.
Yeah, okay. Yep. Okay. Last one.
Is there a way to show different home pages for different kinds of users? Based on, I don't know, the court or role?
A different home page, so the front page of the website. You can force them to see only their own dashboard. It's not enough. You want them to. You don't want them to see any front page. Then you just want to see a custom page. Is this multi-tenant? Are you talking multi-tenancy?
The dashboard, okay.
Yeah.
But for example, if in an enterprise we have multiple levels, and when the user enter, and in the home page we have some features that in the dashboard we have not.
Yes.
So we say we need the home page, but because we want these features.
Yeah.
So
do you want different themes too?
Yes.
Yeah.
But for example, I want the user to enter and say to him, okay, I show only, for example, an icon with written, okay, if you click here, you will see your courses. But I want to show him only his icon, not all the icons of all the levels of my corporation. I don't know.
This is also, I mean, the dashboard also does this. It literally shows
yes,
you.
Yes, but
your
we need the home page for other purposes.
But apart from linking to courses, what else is on the home page?
For example, in our case, we have a slideshow that we want to use because we are using a custom.
Right.
So we need the home page. And we want to know if it is possible to the dashboard is it's possible to modify it. The home page it's more fixed.
Yeah. Okay. I get it. Different home pages. Come on, we got room for one more. One more. Last one. It's just going to fit on the page.
There is one.
There we
Last
go.
one.
So, do you multi-tenancy goes further than this? It also restricts people from one group ever seeing people from the other group. Do you want this too? Like in enrollments and things? Yeah. Got it. No, I get the homepage. I'm saying also in enrollments, when you want to enroll a person, it stops you from enrolling somebody from another cohort. Yeah, cool. That's multi-tenancy.
I have a request from a colleague of mine, so I hope to to clarify the request. He was asking to have a global vision of the situation of a student if he is enrolled in different courses, and statistics too. So the situation of the logs and statistics and the global, I don't know how to say the framework of the student, not only in a particular course, but overall in the platform. Thanks.
Something like that? So a full view of a student, everything. Does that exist? Does anybody know if this exists? There may be a plugin already for it. I'm sure there is. Okay, good. So we've got 10 things. You all have 3 votes each. So I have to trust you. You can only put up your hand 3 times. If you really, really want to vote for something, put 2 hands up. That's 2 votes gone. So you have 3 votes total. And we're going to vote quickly. We're going to go through this list. And this will help us prioritize. And it's similar to what we do in the tracker. It's similar to what the Moodle Users Association does also to prioritize features. So, number 1, some sort of report builder tool in Moodle that helps you build your own reports. Maybe dragging and dropping, selecting some fields, producing a report. Who votes for that? Now, I need you to help with the counting, and we've got to compare numbers. So, I estimate 30. You said 30 also. All right, 30. What? Oh, it's too late. The release is gone. We're past the code freeze. We can't do it. No, I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Tell me quickly. Drag and drop what? Ah, okay. I'm not going to add it, but it's a good idea. All right. back assessment in the workshop. So you've been assessed by another student and you want to be able to say, yeah, I like that assessment, or I think that's my enemy and he's given me a bad mark because he doesn't like me. Who wants this feature? You only have 3 votes, remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? No, they're gone. 7? I thought 9. You said 7, so we're going to say 8. 8. All right. Text quoting in forum posts. So in context quoting without cut and paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I agree. This is much easier in this room, actually. Sometimes I have 400 or 500 people, and so I really need the estimates. Quiz reporting by question category. So the reports identify quiz categories and separate statistics. 17, I agree. It's good. Adaptive testing in the quiz. So some sort of adaptiveness. That's your 4th. That's 4 hands for you, sir. 4 hands, Walter. I don't think it's going to work. Put your hand down. Doesn't count. 1, 2. You're blowing 2 votes on this. Really? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 15. Yep, 17 again. I'm going to do a sanity check and check the cheats at the end because we have the full numbers times 3. We can work it out. Okay, putting a course into multiple categories. Who needs that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I thought 15. I'm going to go with you. I think you're right. Customize the navigation in the nav drawer. So the nav drawer on the Boost theme is the one that comes out with the navigation. You want to be able to customize it somehow in the interface without programming. 7. I had 7. I think there was 7 here. Attaching files in the feedback activity. You saved a vote for that. 1, 2. Oh. Is there anyone over here? Is it 2? 2. 1, 2, 3. 2? Okay. Multi-tenancy. Different home pages. Extra features. Keep groups separate completely. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you've had more than 3 votes back there. No? Okay, all right, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 12. Yeah, 9 versus 12. I'm going to say... Okay. It's still 12 for me. I think it's too late in the afternoon. Full report per user. So a single user report. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 17. All right. So we have a result. Hang on, let's do a sanity check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many people are in this room? How many people total? 45? What do you think? You think? Yeah? Okay. We can add them up later. All right, so the winner is the first one, Report Builder Tool. The second biggest one is that one, I think. And, oops, lost my numbering, it doesn't matter. 17. I'll put that here. Oh wow, this editor is terrible. It's not even open source software. Oh. Oh well, I'll work out the numbers later. Oh, there we go. Oh, there was a 17 down here. Did I? On which one? Sorry. Thank you. 8 votes. And we'll put that one in there. Wow, this editor. So this editor was developed by Apple with all its billions of dollars, and it has bugs. Okay, that's our list. Thank you. I'll put this on Twitter under my account, Moodler, and it will go as part of the forum, as part of our roadmap discussions with Gree, the product owner, and we'll see how much of this we can get built in the next versions of Moodle. So thank you. That's for the session for this. Thank you.
Allora, grazie. E adesso